What's up, guys? XG here. Gonna have to be a little bit quiet, so we'll do the normal hey intro in a moment. Hey, it is XennialGamer. So guys, this is the view about 25 feet from my house. Back with house part tour. Let's try that again. Hey, it is XennialGamer back with house tour part number 2, guys. So I did the original house tour video right after I moved in. For those of you guys who don't know, I moved to Mexico back in July because I was able to get just this absolutely sick house for basically the exact same thing I was paying to live in the middle of nowhere in the US. Had a lot of benefits. I was able to move closer to friends and just kind of move past the pandemic isolation phase. So we're gonna start right here at the entrance area of the house. This is the front door, obviously. And then this is the garage. Now it's actually a 2-car garage. It's an interesting setup. There's 2 1-car garages. So you'll be able to see my car just a little bit over there. For privacy reasons, we won't show the whole vehicle, but this is basically my pantry setup. Obviously, the most important part of any pantry is gonna be right here. This is the drinks fridge. Ladies and gentlemen, yes, I do have a refrigerator dedicated to nothing but alcohol and a couple of sodas. That's why I'm not streaming as much. I'm just saying. All right, so coming in from the garage, we have one of 6. Yes, count them, 6 bathrooms. It is ridiculous. The second bathroom is right over here. So this is actually my laundry room, but it was built to serve as a maid's quarters, which is why it has its own private. This is actually a full bath back here. Just gonna show you guys this real quick. It's a tiny little bath, but it is a full bath with a shower. I guess technically that's a 3/4 bath because there's no tub, but yeah, full bath. So coming in from the laundry room, we come into our kitchen area here. Now, one super weird thing about this house is for some reason there's no oven. It has this like amazing gourmet cooktop here, has this amazing ventilation system, but it does not have an oven. I don't know why. Now, before we exit the kitchen, just one last really important thing. Are the dog rules of the house. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that. If you can, they're worth reading. Freeze frame and take a look at that. So as we come out of the kitchen, we come into the living room area. We have our couch, we have our TV, and we have our girlfriend, Laura. Okay, so from here we have our kind of game hangout area. Obviously we have the bar. Once again, most important thing in the entire house, right? Coming from there, we do have our terrace. Now this is the canyon view. The house actually has 3 terraces, 2 canyon views and 1 ocean view. And then all the windows have either canyon or ocean view. Now we're filming at night, so you don't get the full effect here. Also, if you guys are wondering why I have so many tables out here, we're filming this 2 days before Thanksgiving, so we're getting set up to have a really big dinner for Thanksgiving. Okay, this is just gonna be a closet right here, and then obviously we did see the front hall area. This painting right here, pretty cool. It was actually a gift from... Okay, and then from here we just head upstairs. Now this is actually, I said downstairs it was the game room. That's really the ping pong area. This is actually the game room. So guys, this is a table I've been wanting for like all my life, and this house was finally the perfect opportunity to get it. So it's a kind of poker / game table. Really cool thing about this table, the top flips over, turns it into a normal eating table. Okay, so here we have the master. Now there is another terrace outside the master. As a matter of fact, you guys can see the double doors right here and here, which also has canyon views. And then of course we just have our basic master bath. Okay, coming out of the master, we have this really long kind of stairway, or a stairway, hallway, not so much a stairway as a hallway. I do want to point out, let me see if I can change the camera mode here so you guys can get a feel for these ceilings. So these are, I've never measured them, but I'm guessing something like 12 to 15 foot, 12 to 14 foot ceilings, something along those lines. Now we're doing the entire video here in a 0.5x optical so you can see more of the rooms. So the house itself, not quite as big as it might look on camera. Ceilings make it feel much larger as well. Overall house, I would guess, is somewhere around 1,500 square feet of living space. Obviously with 3 additional huge terraces, also a really large finished kind of basement area. Out of this window, there's no point in me opening the blinds right now. Out of that window is an ocean view. So I mentioned we've got 2 windows with ocean views. Second window is oddly enough in the guest room, but we made up for that by putting the treadmill here. This is Laura's desk over here. And then obviously just the rest of the guest bedroom, also kind of worth noting. Closets are really cool in Mexico, guys. This is kind of like a standard of how the closets are. Okay, and then we are gonna finish up one other thing. Actually, we're not gonna finish up. One other thing I didn't point out, there is a private bathroom in the guest room. Each of these private bathrooms are actually full baths. So the house is 3 bedrooms and then has 3 full baths in each of the bedrooms. Has the maid's quarters, which does have a 3/4 bath, then has another guest bathroom near the entryway. And the final bath is actually in the unfinished room downstairs. We're gonna skip that one in this house tour because it's honestly just a mess. It's kind of like a holding area. I've got some gym equipment down there, and then I've got a lot of the furniture that I've changed out in the house that's just being kind of stored down there. Okay guys, so this is my office. This is where we'll finish up. You might notice the ceiling fan. I did add ceiling fans to 3 of the rooms in the house so far as well. You can see the studio lights back here, and you can see the microphone set up. We'll zoom in just a little bit. So anyway guys, there you have it. That is the house tour, XG's Gringo in Mexico house tour. In the comments, guys, do me a favor, let me know. I thought about when I moved down here, starting a second channel, something like Gringo in Mexico, White Dude in Mexico, something like that, talking about my experiences living down here, talking about what it took to move down here. And then honestly, I was thinking about just doing some kind of house tours. I've got a buddy who's a real estate agent, but we could look at some high-end houses and get a feel for like kind of international homes. Anyway guys, in the comments, let me know if you'd be interested in seeing like a Gringo in Mexico type channel, if you just want to see more Summoners War content. I know I've been lagging. Most importantly, let me know what you think about the videos and leave that comment for the algorithm, guys. If you're not subscribed or if you unsubscribed, please smash that subscribe button. It helps me out a lot. This is the community surrounding my neighborhood. All right, guys, appreciate you watching, and we will catch you on the next video. Okay, say hi to my new Samantha right here. What? No! Holy shit!
2,000 years later.
No way! Hey, it is Xennial. Oh, no, wait, this is the outro. My bad. Hey guys, if you want to see more content, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notifications. It's your support that makes me want to create continuing content. I thank you guys for the support, as always, and we'll see you in the next video.